In this tutorial, we'll go over the navigation of the Blender workspaces. On the very top, we have Layout. We are currently in the Layout workspace. Over to the right, you see a Modeling tab. By clicking on the Modeling tab, we're now in the Modeling workspace. There's also a Sculpting workspace, a UV Editing workspace, a Texture Paint workspace, Shading workspace, Animation workspace, Rendering workspace, Compositing workspace, Geometry Nodes workspace, and a Scripting workspace. Now, these are all available by default. Over here on the right-hand side of Scripting, we have a plus button. By clicking on the plus button, we can see there's additional workspaces we can add. For instance, we can add another animation workspace. This is useful if you want to do animation from a scene from two different cameras and you want to switch from one workspace to the other to see the different views. There's some really cool advanced features you can do in Blender in order to improve your workflow. Now, what I personally use quite a bit is the video editing. So the video editing workspace allows you to do video editing. Let's go back to the layout workspace. Go to the top, click on layout. We are now in the layout workspace.